pretty close. A little bit off. Oh my god. Gonna use liquid nail for this application. We're gonna glue the bottom of this. And that's it. And then we're gonna shoot some nails in it. Make sure your surface is clean. I'm doing it behind this overhang. Wipe off anything else that comes out. But you see it's oozing out underneath. Slap it down nice. Make sure this is snug on the wall. Take a damp rag. Best it's gonna get. And you could caulk around it too. And you're gonna grab a nail gun, brad nailer, and you want to hit these nails in close to the edge so I catch wood. Alright, that one in. That one in. That one in. Don't go too far over. And it's not gonna go no. One side. Boxing out the gaps. These corners. And I'm gonna trim this piece.